Hi everyone, today we're gonna draw this amazing pattern. I just wanted to try to create a pattern that I would be proud of. So right now I'm using this pink thing and then doing like this heart thing and then hoping that everything will just come together magically. And sometimes you just need to keep on drawing and try to create something that is unique. And I just love creating patterns like this. It's pretty easy just using the drawing guide the whole time, and then use these colors, and then suddenly it all comes together. Like, I don't know, it just feels magical when you're drawing something that you've wanted to do for ages and ages. I know I've been doing a lot of tech videos lately, but I think I should get back into drawing because I love it so much. I mean, it just brings so much joy, and yet it's comforting. It's like when you draw, everything just stops in the moment, and it's just great. And I'm having great luck with my Etsy shop. It's doing actually better than I thought. It does have some drawbacks, but I think it's going pretty well. And other news, I just wanted to do something that's pretty relaxing, and you guys should also draw with me, and we can hang out together for these 11 minutes. This is probably the shortest draw with me, but sometimes the shortest drawings are the best ones, even if they took ages and ages to do. But this is definitely coming together. Like, I never thought that in a million years that I would do this YouTube channel, and it just brings me joy when I'm doing it, and there's no other thing like it. And drawing videos feel more relaxed, and you don't have to see my ugly face the whole time. And then now I'm outlining in black. I just think once you outline your drawing in black, like, it feels like it's finished. You know what I mean? Like, it's this feeling that it's just coming together how you pictured it in your head. And there's so many ways you can do these designs. It's pretty easy. Don't use the rotational thing because I've done it so much that it's kind of sort of become repetitive. You've seen all the reels and shorts that I've done. I've mostly started this channel on doing these designs, and then slowly but surely went into illustrations and stuff because I wanted to find out more about drawing. Not just the designs and stuff, but which brushes to use, which textures look great. I mean, Procreate is definitely my favorite app, like, of all time. I think it's the best for beginners because it's very, like, beginner friendly, and it's very good app, and I highly recommend it if you're starting off as a digital artist. And there are tons and tons of videos on YouTube on how to use all these softwares. It's pretty easy and simple, and yeah, I think they did a great job with this app. Hopefully maybe someday I'll get featured on their app. You never know. But then I decided to do this interesting design, and I decided to add a design in the center of my design. You'll see it. Once you see it, you'll believe it. So I'm gonna do this leaf pattern. I already know what the design is because I basically just drew it. So, you know. But I wanted to do something that's very abstract, but yet simple, and something that, like, I don't know, it just feels right, you know. I love designs that are different than others, and I sometimes do reference like the Greek people. They created awesome designs, mostly Indian mosaic and stuff. But all these different countries like Spain and every single country in the world has its own design, and I'd sometimes see images that I want to recreate, and this kind of reminds me of Spain. Even though I've never been to Spain, I just feel like it's cool, you know? And you should always take inspiration from other cultures. It sort of makes it feel like you're part of their culture, very much so. And I think they do a very good job of designing these amazing patterns and designs. And I don't know, who knows, maybe I'm gonna design my own tile and you'll start buying tiles from me, which I don't know, it's maybe could happen, maybe not, but we'll see. Now I'm just gonna touch this up and make it look nice and presentable because I want it to look clean. Just in case, maybe I might do a vectorized image using this. I don't know, I think it might be cool. Definitely something more different than usual. I don't know, lately I've been trying to make my designs more vectorized so then I can put them on t-shirts and stuff. And I love doing that for fun. You should also check out my Printify pop-up shop. It's basically better than Etsy because for Etsy, every single product you put, you have to deposit like 20 cents, and that adds up. So far I have like 20 stuff, so maybe $400 because of my, I don't know. Etsy is just, Printify is kind of the easiest way to put your stuff out there. Even if no one buys it, you just, like, it's your own product and you're proud of it. You should definitely go check it out. I'll leave it in the link on this YouTube video. And yeah, or check out my Instagram at Zavco_official, I think. Yeah, I have so many things to shout out, and just know that everything is the right thing, and that you should believe in the right things. And I don't know, I just thought that I would just do this amazing pattern, and I don't know, try something new, try something out of your comfort zone. You never know what you can create just from a blank canvas. And I don't know, I just thought like I did a great job with doing this, and I don't know, I'm really proud of how this design just came together, and it just happened, you know. I wanted to do something that was very me, and this pattern is probably the easiest I've ever done. Because, you know, you've seen all the shorts and stuff. Most of my patterns used to be complicated, but now I decided to simplify it, and it is pretty easy to create a pattern. And maybe one day I'll create these patterns and just, I don't know, I just love drawing these patterns. They're just so much more satisfying than doing an illustration. But once it comes together, it's like magic happens. And I was so excited that I finally created something that I could actually be proud of and say that, hey, this is my design. And yeah, I also did post some pictures of it on my community post, so you should go check that out and see if you like it. I sort of hinted like this week's video by just showing this design, and I don't know, maybe this is one of my favorites. And I keep on saying that, oh, this is my favorite, then this is my favorite, oh no, this is my favorite. This is definitely my favorite. And maybe, just maybe, that, I don't know, this will look so good on a phone case. I'm just picturing all these stuff that could go well on products and stuff, but I think I'll be lucky if I could even do a pattern like this on a phone case. I don't know, just maybe. And I had so much fun just making this video, and I don't know, it's just easy to create patterns like this, and it's pretty simple. If I can do it, you can create. So right now, just go there and just create a pattern, and I don't know, post it on Instagram. Post art instead of posting pictures of yourself when you're traveling. I don't know, just do what you want. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and comment below if you like more designs like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later, and enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.